Hi, Nurse Lloyd here, discussing another supplement. This is certified organic, delicious green superfood. Now, me personally, I still need to be better about taking this every day, but I am a big believer in this. I am not terrible about eating my vegetables, but I am a believer in the positives that vegetables can bring. And so here is a great way to be able to do it. This is just one scoop, gets you your serving, and it's not that bad of tasting because it's like fruit and vegetables. So you can get this from Amazon. You can get different kinds at your local stores. But if you're a person that struggles with good nutrition and just hates vegetables, take a scoop of this, throw it in some sort of decent drink every day, and chug that down. And this will go a long way when it comes to providing you with the different nutrients and that you need when it comes to that are provided when it comes to fruits and vegetables. So this is a great way to get that. There's very expensive versions. This is one of the middle line versions from Amazon that isn't too expensive, but they basically all have the same ingredients in it. But some can be very expensive and some can be very low cost. Just like anything, consult your doctor, do your own research, make sure, find out what's best for you. Research which one of types of these would be best for you. But a delicious green superfood replacement scoop is definitely something great to add to your supplement list for the daily. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for being here.